What's up, everybody? I'm just gonna be showing you real quick how to install and run Fluxus so that you can use my universal script TrojanGenV2. It's a pretty basic process. Fluxus is just a script executor that I use. I use it because it's free. It's really good, and they consistently update it, so it's just my go-to. You can use any executor you want, but this is going to be kind of a tutorial on how to download and use it with Fluxus. So if you're not interested in that, you can continue somewhere else. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to your browser of choice. We're going to look up Fluxus Roblox. And it should bring up this link right here for fluxteam.net. You click that, it'll bring you to this page. Just going to click download now. Give it a little bit. It'll bring you here. Now we're going to click level installer, and it'll bring you to the link vertise. With this, it's fairly simple. You're just going to follow the link vertise as normal. So just follow the steps it asks you to do, and then it should download. So now once it's downloaded, you gotta go find it on your computer. So for me, if I go downloads, I'll have it right here. We open it up, and then you need to extract it. It doesn't matter where you extract it, you just need to extract it out of the zip file. It can't be the zip file. So once you've extracted it, you'll see this inside your file. You'll see Fluxus v7.exe. That's just the current version I have. It might be a different version for you in the future, but currently it's just v7, so that's what it shows. You're going to double click it, and it will ask you to give it permissions to install Fluxus. And I've never had an issue with it. I've never gotten a virus or anything like that, but it's honestly up to you. This is the point where you do have to give it admin permissions for your computer. So if you wish to proceed, go ahead. If not, well, you can try and find another video. But I'm gonna proceed. Give it permissions. There we go. Now you'll be met with this screen. You can read it if you like. I've read through it before. It's just your it's just basic user agreements and all that stuff. So you click next. This is where it's going to prompt you to either install Fluxus at the current run-in path in a new folder, or install Fluxus at custom directory. So if you want, you can install Fluxus wherever you would like on your computer using the custom directory. I like to install it in the current run-in path in a new folder, because it just, saves the number of folders I have on my computer, because it just puts it in the initial one I extracted. So I'm going to go with that option. And then once you click it, it should automatically start to download and install. Now you just give it some time, and it should launch. Alright. Now once Fluxus is launched, you're going to have to get a key for it. You're going to have to get a key every single day, but that's what's so special about Fluxus. Since they update it so often, it's almost never broken, but since they update it so often, you have to get a new key for it every single day. But I found it to be fairly convenient, because like I said, it's almost never broken with how much they update it. But you're just going to click get key. It'll bring you to your browser of choice, and then now we just have to follow the link vertise. So you do the CAPTCHA, verify you are a human. Alright. You got some AI images in here. That's cool. Alright. Click on the sun. Free access. Alright, so that was checkpoint 1. With the Fluxus key system, there will be 3 checkpoints, the third checkpoint giving you the key. So this is checkpoint number 2. Say you're interested, install and sign up, but just exit out of the page. Then say, I have already completed this step, and it will bring you to the next checkpoint. That's a fun way of getting past it. That way you don't have to download or view anything that they're asking you to, as long as you just go quick. So once again, free access, I'm interested, install sign up, exit out of the page, and I have already completed the step. There you go, you're met with the key. So now you copy this key, you open back up Fluxus, you paste in the key, and you click enter key. Now you have Fluxus. So now that you have Fluxus opened, you're going to want to find my script. So you can find my script by going to YouTube, go into my page, which, you know, you're watching this video, it'll be a whole lot easier to find my page. But once you're on my page, you just click one of my videos, you grab the link here for my paste bin, you plug it in, you go to my paste bin, and you grab the load string. So you copy the load string, go over to Fluxus, and paste it inside Fluxus. Now we need the version of Roblox that it works on. So if you just go into your browser and you type in roblox.com, and you use this version of Roblox, this will not work. So this version of Roblox has been patched with the Bifron update, and as far as I can tell, there have not been any real methods of bypassing Bifron so far. The only real method I have found is, instead of using this version of Roblox, if you come down here and you go to the Microsoft Store on Windows, I don't know what it is on other computers, but if you just download the actual application version of Roblox instead, so you head over to gaming, you find Roblox, and you download this version of Roblox instead. So when you launch this is going to launch a different version of Roblox. It seems to be more similar to the mobile version of Roblox, and for some reason they did not put Bifron on it, so it allows you to script a whole lot easier. So then you find your game of choice, you launch your game of choice, you go back over to Fluxus, you inject Fluxus so that you can run scripts into Roblox. You'll see Fluxus UWP has injected, and then you run the script. And easy as that, you have my scripts. And as you can see, all of the main functions, toggle UI, everything like that, and then since I'm in Legends of Speed, it automatically launched my script for Legends of Speed. You'll see we have auto egg, teleports, and auto farm. So easy as that. Nice and simple.